Namaskar, my friend. Today, a beautiful little puzzle. Your phone, your chatbot, your search box, they all understand words. But a computer, deep down, only knows numbers. So how does it turn a simple word like cat into numbers it can actually think with? Chalo, let us find out. And the answer has a lovely name, embeddings. Here is the honest truth. A computer cannot read the word cat the way you and I do. Inside that machine there are only numbers, ones and zeros, marching along. So before it can do anything clever, we must turn our words into numbers. That is the very first step. Now, the simplest idea. Make a giant list with one box for every word in the language, 50,000 boxes. For cat, put a 1 in the cat box, and a 0 everywhere else. We call this one hot. It works, but oh, what a waste. 50,000 boxes to say a single word, and worse, it tells us nothing about what the word means. Cat and dog look just as different as cat and chair. So here comes the clever idea. Instead of a giant list of zeros, give each word a short list of numbers, maybe a few hundred. We call this little list a vector, and the whole trick an embedding. And the magic? These numbers are not random. They are chosen to capture the meaning of the word. Think of it just like GPS coordinates. Your home has a latitude and a longitude, two numbers that place it exactly on the map of the world. An embedding does the same for a word. A few numbers that place that word at one exact spot on a giant map of meaning. And here is the loveliest part. On this map, words with similar meanings sit close together. Cat lives right next to dog and puppy, all the animals in one neighborhood. Monday sits beside Tuesday, all the days in another. Just like in a city, the spice shops cluster on one street, the jewelers on another. Meaning becomes location. But what do these numbers actually mean? Think of a spice rack in your kitchen. One jar for haldi, one for chili, one for salt. Each embedding number is like one such jar, a learned flavor of meaning. Is it an animal? Is it royal? Is it big or small? Nobody handwrites these, the machine learns them by reading mountains of text. And because meaning is now made of numbers, you can do arithmetic on it. The famous one, take king, subtract man, add woman. What do you get? Queen. It actually works. The machine has quietly learned that the only difference between a king and a queen is gender. Beautiful, na? So how do we measure if two words are close? We draw each vector as an arrow from the center, and we look at the angle between them. A small angle means they point the same way, very similar. A wide angle means they are far apart in meaning. This little measure has a name, cosine similarity. Just the angle between two arrows. And this is everywhere, my friend. Semantic search, you ask for cheap flights, and it finds budget airfare even without the same words. Recommendations, films near yours on the map. And RAG, where a chatbot fetches the right page from your documents by meaning. All of it powered by these little vectors. So let it land. Embeddings turn words into points in space. Close points mean close meaning. And once meaning is just geometry, the machine can do what it does best, maths. That is the quiet engine behind almost every smart thing AI does with language. Chalo, let us tie the thread together, the way your old school master always does. 1. A computer only knows numbers. So every word becomes a short list of numbers, a vector. We call this an embedding. 2. These numbers place each word on a map of meaning. Similar words sit close, like shops of the same kind on one street. Cat near dog, Monday near Tuesday. 3. Once meaning is a location, the machine measures closeness by the angle between arrows, cosine similarity, and powers search, recommendations, and rank. Geometry on meaning itself. And that, my friend, is the secret of how cold numbers come to hold warm meaning. If you enjoyed this, come and learn properly with us at AI Academy. The link is below, and the first lessons are absolutely free. Till then, keep your curiosity bigger than your fear. Chalo! AI Academy. By Concept Good.